Ever wish that you could use the magic of AI to turn your creative visions into reality? Well, what if we told you that the magic has already been wielded on Canva? Yes, this magic has now enabled anyone to do video production and has even brought a whole new level of excitement to the world of content creation.
That's amazing.
We are talking about Canva's Magic Studio. Yes, Canva is inviting all the developers, artists, and small business owners to the AI party. Now, you might be wondering how this new Canva AI Magic feature will help you level up your content creation game. Well, let's get into it. Have you ever stared at a blank canvas thinking how to start with it? If yes, then you don't need to do this anymore because Magic Design, a new AI-powered tool, has recently launched in Canva. And it's super cool. It transforms your ideas into reality in an instant. Suppose you are a content creator on YouTube and want a banner for your channel that gives a strong first impression and has high quality imagery. Head towards Magic Design, which takes your prompt on Canva's homepage. It identifies what you want and converts that prompt into curative and sophisticated designs in a matter of seconds. It gives you a number of choices for banner design. You choose the most appropriate design for your banner and customize it according to your company's branding theme, using your brand kit in Canva. In 3 simple steps, you can get a high quality banner without going through the hustle of using multiple tools like in the old days.
That'd be cool, right?
Magic Design not only works for images, but also for videos. Yes, it all became possible with the collaboration between Runway and Canva. This collaboration is set to transform the creative landscape by seamlessly integrating Runway's Gen 2 AI technology into Canva's ecosystem. Runway AI is a leading AI video generation platform with over 150 million monthly users worldwide. And now Canva users can infuse their designs with dynamic video elements, taking their creativity to new heights. So how does Runway AI integrate with Canva? Magic Design for video helps you skip over editing by creating shareable, engaging, and professional videos in a matter of seconds. It does all the heavy lifting for you by transforming your media into a cohesive and compelling story. Take Mona, a rising star on TikTok who wants to create a viral video with some captions for her Daily Pet Facts channel. To create this video, she selects a whole social media video project from the homepage. On the left sidebar, she then selects the Design tab and clicks on Magic Design. She then uploads some photos and videos and types in the description of what she wants. Magic Design creates her video, selects music recommendations, and uses beat sync to time her content perfectly to some appropriate music. Once the video is generated, she can then use advanced features of Canva like filters, transitions, or special effects to make her video even more captivating for her audience. Magic Design is not only limited to social media content creators, but also for everyone who wants to show their creativity to the world. This AI tool has completely changed how we present our ideas to our audience. Back in the day, we spent hours collecting our content and trimming it to fit into slides using Google Slide, PowerPoint, and Keynote. But now, with the remarkable power of AI, Canva allows you to transform your ideas into a tailor-made, polished presentation adorned in your organization's signature fonts and hues with a single prompt.
Wow!
Now that we have shown you how to make simple videos and presentations using Magic Design, why not learn to add some sparkling sauce to them using Magic Animate? Ever wished you could snap your fingers and bring your designs to life? Well, with Magic Animate, now you can. You know, motion has this magical power to grab attention instantly. But let's be real, animating designs? It used to be such a drag, right? Hours spent on complicated software and all that frustration. But guess what? Magic Animate is here to change the game. It's literally that simple. Just one click and bam! Your designs will burst into life, filled with dynamic animations and smooth transitions. Let's take an example. You're trying to secure a brand partnership but need a compelling presentation to present the brand about your social media presence. You have done the hardest part, which is curating content for the slides, but it needs to leave a lasting impression on your audience. This is where animations come in. With Magic Animate, animations are super easy to add. No more fumbling around with manual settings or wrestling with softwares. Magic Animate handles it all, even the timing. Everything just flows. Magic Write is another Canva AI tool, a game changer on its own that's already helped millions of people write over 1 billion words. Just toss it a prompt and voila! From first draft to expanding or summarizing texts, writer's block became a thing of the past. But guess what? We're not stopping there. Magic Write isn't just about filling that daunting blank page anymore. Oh no, it's evolved. Now, with Canva's brand voice feature, every word you pen down screams you, similar to having a personal editor, whether you're crafting a catchy social post or sending out that important company newsletter. Rest assured, you and your team are nailing the vibe every single time. But ChatGPT can do the same, so why use Magic Write? The answer is nobody likes to enter brand voice in every prompt they enter and navigate through web pages and softwares for a similar output. And why pay $20 monthly when Canva offers the same services for only $12.90, plus the other AI features? Canva wants to become that last stop for content creators, and with these new AI tools, ChatGPT may be left in the dust. Now that you have written engaging content, why not further experiment with a new AI tool on your creative piece and learn how Magic Switch will elevate your creativity? Remember how it used to be so painful to convert your design into a different format, like changing the layout and writing the content all over again? But here, Magic Studio comes to our saviour with this time-saving tool called Magic Switch. You can transform an image into a text document with a few clicks. This is very useful because occasionally you need to spend hours to change everything in a design. However, with Magic Switch, you can automatically transform text-heavy projects into engaging visual formats like summary, blog, email, poem, song lyrics, or all text. Moreover, you can resize your content using the same AI tool. Yeah, you heard it right. If you're a blogger who needs to resize your Instagram post so you can post it as an Instagram reel, Magic Switch is your one-stop destination. Or if you need to change the format of a presentation into a text document with Arabic language and in different sizes, simply head over to Magic Switch. Imagine how difficult it was to translate your content in a different language a few years ago. You had to hire a bilingual professional in that language and keep in mind the context, cultural references, metaphors, idioms, and many other details to translate our content. Sometimes you had to rush to Google Translate without knowing whether the translation this model would provide was accurate or not. But gone are those days. Now you have Magic Switch that translates our text with a button click without even leaving the page, saving hours that you can spend enhancing your creativity. With Magic Design, Magic Animate, and Magic Switch in Magic Studio, Canva is just beginning to further enhance your productivity and creativity as a content creator. But before we go, we want to hear from you. Which Canva AI tool are you most excited about? Add your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your fellow creators because, as a new channel, your likes, comments, and subscribes mean a lot.